Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic at the intersection of public policy, safety, and culture: gun laws in the United States, specifically states where carrying a firearm openly or concealed is legal. We'll also touch on how these laws connect to crime rates across the country. In the U.S., gun laws vary significantly by state, and these variations reflect different cultural attitudes toward firearms, along with legal considerations about self-defense. As of now, over 30 states permit open carry without a specific license or permit, which allows individuals to carry firearms in plain sight. States like Arizona, Wyoming, and Vermont, for example, have some of the most permissive open carry laws. In these states, open carry is a part of local culture and is seen by many as an extension of the right to self-defense. Concealed carry is slightly different. This allows individuals to carry a firearm in a concealed manner, often under clothing. In recent years, a movement known as constitutional carry has gained traction, where citizens are allowed to carry concealed firearms without a permit, provided they meet certain criteria like age and lack of a criminal record. Currently, 25 states, including Texas, Tennessee, and Montana, have adopted these constitutional carry laws. The core argument behind this policy is the belief that responsible citizens have a right to protect themselves without additional government intervention. But now, let's talk about the link between gun laws and crime rates. This is a complex topic with a lot of factors at play. Interestingly, some states with permissive gun laws have relatively low crime rates. Vermont and New Hampshire, for example, are two states with constitutional carry laws and very low violent crime rates. Both of these states are known for their rural settings, close-knit communities, and relatively stable economies. In these cases, firearms are often viewed as tools for hunting, protection, and recreation, rather than as factors contributing to crime. On the other hand, there are states like Alaska and Louisiana, where gun laws are also permissive, but violent crime rates are significantly higher. Alaska has one of the highest violent crime rates in the country, and this can't be solely attributed to gun laws. Alaska's unique factors, such as its isolated geography, higher rates of substance abuse, and socioeconomic challenges, play a significant role. Similarly, Louisiana has a complex set of social and economic factors that contribute to its high violent crime rate, including concentrated poverty and urban crime in cities like New Orleans. A key point here is that crime rates are shaped by more than just gun laws. Factors like population density, economic conditions, education levels, and cultural attitudes toward firearms all play a role. In urban areas with high crime, for example, the presence of guns may complicate the situation more than it would in a rural, low-crime setting. Research shows that socioeconomic instability, rather than gun availability alone, is often a significant predictor of crime. There are, however, some nuances to consider. Studies indicate that states with high rates of gun ownership and permissive carry laws sometimes report lower burglary and property crime rates. This suggests that the potential for an armed response may deter certain types of crime. However, these states don't necessarily see reductions in violent crime across the board, which suggests a limit to the protective effect of carry laws alone. Moreover, the nature of crime also changes based on population characteristics. For instance, in states with larger urban centers, such as Illinois or New York, restrictive gun laws are often aimed at addressing the higher risk of gun violence in densely populated areas. These laws may not apply as broadly in states like Montana or Idaho, where open spaces and fewer residents reduce opportunities for violent encounters. So, to sum it up, states with open and concealed carry laws present a mixed picture regarding crime rates. While some states with permissive gun laws report lower crime, others with similar laws see higher rates of violence. Ultimately, it's a complex relationship where factors like rural versus urban population, economic stability, and even historical attitudes toward firearms come into play. In the U.S., discussions about gun laws are intertwined with personal beliefs about safety and freedom, which makes finding common ground challenging. Understanding the differences across states, however, can give us a clearer picture of how these laws function within different social contexts.